Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Sky is your limit. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon to get instant notifications of our videos. So let's continue with this series on HTML. So in this 7th tutorial, we will see the use of image tag. Okay, we will see how to display the image in the web page, and we will also link that image. Okay, we will also attach one link into that image. So let's go to my Sublime text editor and let me first save the file. So let me first type HTML syntax and let me give the title lesson 7. Okay, and let me first use image tag. Okay, so this is the syntax of image tag. Okay, this is src, which means source. You have to specify the path of that image into this attribute, and this is alternate text. So alternate text is used for when unfortunately your image path is wrong, or by mistake there is no image in your specified path, then this text will be printed in place of that image. Okay, so I will put here path this image. Okay, so I will copy this path. Okay, but this HTML file and this image are in same file, so I have not to specify this whole path. Okay, so let me give its path as a aaa.jpg. Okay, and let's give alternate text as a Windows 10. So let's first save this file and let's see in the browser. So as you can see, the image is in our web page. Okay, but it is too large, so we have to decrease the length and width. Okay, the height and width, sorry. Okay, so let me change its height as a 200 pixel, and let me give the width it as a 300 pixel. So let's save this file and let's refresh our web page. So as you can see, the output as expected, the image has 200 height and 300 width. Okay, so by this way you can use this image. Let's use another image tag, and this time I will link this image. Okay, so this image name is 102.jpg. so let me type 102.jpg, and alternate text is Windows wallpaper. Okay, and let me set height as a 200 pixel and width as 300 pixel, and let's save this and let's see in the browser. So as you can see, the two images are ready in this web page. Okay, so by this way you can practice this image tag. Okay, you can use here br tag to show this image into next below that image. Okay, so let's save this and let's see. So as you can see, the output as expected, and let me remove this. Okay, so let me attach link to this image. So I will use anchor tag, and let me put image into anchor tag, and let me give hyperlink as a aaa.jpg. You can also use another link or some website link to this. Okay, so let's save this and let's see in the browser. So as you can see, our cursor is different on this web page. Okay, so when you click on this, you will be go to this page. Okay, so you can also put link into this image also. So let me put here the link, and let me give the hyperlink as a 102.jpg. Let's save these and let's see in the browser. So as you can see, the output as expected. Okay, so by this way you can practice this image tag. Okay, let me give you another idea to use this image tag. We will create one table and we will use these two syntax into that table. Okay, so let me first create table. Okay, so okay, and let me give caption as a images, and let me put into h2 tag. And let's remove these headers. Okay, we will not use in this file. Okay, and first in the first column and in first row we will use this image. Okay, so let me copy these okay, and let me put here, and let me create another column and let me put this one into that column. So let's see in the browser, or 1 second, let me give border as a 1 pixel. So let's see in the browser. So as you can see, the output as expected. We have created one table. You can give this image data by creating another row. So let's create that one. Okay, so let me create another row and let's create column and let's put some data of this image. Okay, so I will put h3 tag. Okay, so Windows 10, and then I will use list tag. Okay, so let me first use ul and let me give the keywords of Windows 10. So it is latest version. Let me give another keyword. It is operating system. Okay, and let me give this image data. Okay, so I will use another td tag and then h3 tag. This is Windows wallpaper, and then I will use list tag. This is wallpaper, and let me give another list tag, and this is natural image. Okay, so let's save this and let's see in the browser. So as you can see, the output as expected. Okay, you can also change its text font or background color. Okay, so let's change this text into red color. Okay, so I will use font tag. I will put images tags into font tag, and let me change its color into red, and let's change its background color into light gray, and let's save this and let's see in the browser. So as you can see, the output as expected. Okay, you can also change this background color also. So you can practice this code by this way. Okay, you can use this code Okay, so it is enough for today. We will meet in the next lecture. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and goodbye. Thank you.
I see the light inside.